Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. It has been a hot minute, I know, and I'm sorry. You guys have requested this video a lot, so this is me delivering. Let's get it. As y'all can see by the title, I'm gonna be bleaching hair today. These are all the items I'm gonna need. So I went out and got this set, and then I'm gonna use these highlighting kits. This is the new light and this is the Keigh expert. I have another box like this just in case I'm gonna need an extra box. I already have one just on standby. And then you're gonna need heavy duty foil or any type of foil. So this is the hair blown out. I'm about to apply the first coat of bleach, and we'll just see how the hair handles the bleach. Okay, so as y'all can see, I've already laid out the foil. This is just gonna be my protective base type of thing. I think I'm supposed to actually put, no, but this is just bleaching, it's not color, so this should be fine. I'm gonna start with the mix in this bowl. I normally put on a rubber band on my wrist just to secure the gloves and make sure that they do not unnecessarily move. Okay, so let us apply.
20 minutes later.
This is so warm, but this is not coming out the way I wanted it to come out. Oh no. I like this part, but definitely not this part. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this, and this is not gonna be alone. It will be accompanied by the Tresemme. Alright, so the Perfect Touch Heat Defense Spray will be accompanied by the Tresemme Heat Defense Spray. I am gonna protect this hair from heat as I possibly can. I'm gonna try to salvage whatever is left of this great hair. Okay, let's just keep going. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, Lisa, what I'm dressed like. This is it. Nothing too complicated, and to be honest with you guys, I didn't even know how this was gonna turn out, but this is exactly what my client asked for, and it actually came out okay. Pretty decent. Anyway, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope it was helpful to you. Until we meet again in the next video, I love you guys, and don't forget to like, share, tag a friend, and of course subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.
You might catch me with the whole firm. What a bag. Shanganisa, then we split the cash. What is that? Secure the stash. Where the dash? All in water, that's a clash. What is that? You just sorta kinda trash. Yeah. Wake up, taste the bread and then we toast. Yeah. Oh, we got do some things we